my dear students. I hope all of you are good and safe at your home. This is your maths class. As all of you know, your first unit tests are going to start from 5th July. Exam will be held on Team app. Timing for class 1st to 4 is 4 pm to 5 pm. This is your date sheet for first unit test. So look it carefully. Okay, now these are other informations. You have to collect your exam kit from school on respective date. For 3rd and 4th class exam kit, you should collect the exam kit on 1st July. Okay, timing is 9:30 am to 1:30 pm. Okay, so these are other information. So read it carefully. Now I am giving you some revision work. Now this is your revision work. Class 3rd, subject maths revision work. Okay, so first question is, write the number names. Some numbers are given here. A, B, C, D, E. 5 parts are here. You have to write number names. Okay, ये आपको यहाँ पे numbers की spelling लिखनी है. Okay. Now the second question is, continue the pattern. Okay, some patterns are given here. You have to follow the pattern and fill these blanks. Okay, A, B, C, D. 4 parts are here. Okay, A part 1100, 1200, 1300. Next, B part 3020, 3030, 3040. C part 8590, 8580, 8570. What will be next? And D part 4000, 4002, 4004, and here are 3 blanks. Okay, so you have to fill these blanks. Okay, now question number 3. Fill in. A part in 7683, the digit in the thousands place is. इसमें thousands place पर कौन सा digit है? So you have to write here. And the place value of 8 is. Here you have to write the place value of 8. Okay. Now the B part in 6039, the place value of 0 is. So here you have to fill the place value of 0 and that of 9 and that of 6. Okay, here you have to write the place value of 0, 9 and 6. Okay, now the question number 4 is, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers with the given digits. Some digits are given here. In A part 5119. So from these 4 digits you have to make 4-digit greatest number and 4-digit smallest number. Okay, so like B and C. Okay, so make it greatest and smallest number and do. Now write the number shown by the Roman numerals. Here आपको रोमन में है, आपको सिंपल नंबर्स में लिखना है. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट इन द सिंपल नंबर्स. A, B, C, D, E. 5 parts are here. Okay, now the next 6th question is, write the numbers before and after. Number is given here. You have to write just before and just after number. Okay, what will come just before 1000 and what will come just after 1000. Okay, same B, C, D part. Write the number before and after the given number. Now question number 7, write in descending orders. Here A and B, two parts are here, numbers are given here. You have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means from largest to smallest. Okay, now the last question, question number 8, fill in. A part in the week is the 5th day. So which day is the 5th day in the week? So right here. B part, J is the letter of the alphabet. So which number of letter? Right here. In worksheets the letter T comes. T कौन से नंबर पर आया है वर्कशीट में? Count and write. And H comes. So write the answer here. So these are 8 questions. You have to solve these questions in your notebook. Okay. Now I am giving you solution of this revision work. Okay, so this is solution. Question number 1, write the number names. A part 2687 means 2687. Okay, 2687 ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 2687. Okay, so like this you have to write. B part 6806. So look, write 6806. C 3005. 3005. Okay. D part 4700 means 4700. 4700 means ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 4700. Okay. E part 4769. Okay. Now the question number 2, continue the pattern. A part 1100, 1200, 1300. Next what will come? 1400, then 1500, 1600. Okay, so like this you have to write. B part 3020, 3030, 3040. Next 3050, 3060 and 3070. Okay, now C part 8590, 8580, 8570. So means minus 10. So what will come next? 8560 minus 10, 8550 minus 10, 8540. Okay, so this is the pattern minus 10. Now 4000, 4002, 4004 means plus 2 pattern. So 4004 plus 2, 4006 plus 2, 4008 plus 2, 4010. Okay, so identify the pattern and write the answer. Now question number 3, fill in. In 7683 the digit in the thousands place. So 6008 ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So at thousand place the digit is 7. So write here 7 and the place value of 8 is at tens place, so its place value is 80. In 6039 the place value of 0 and that of 9 is at ones place, so its place value is 9, and that of 6 is at ones, tens, hundred and thousand place, so place value of 6 is 6000. Okay. Now question number 4, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers with the given digits. So first 5119, for greatest number arrange the digits in descending order, means first write largest number then smallest number. Okay, 9511. And for the smallest number, write for first smallest number 1159. Arrange them in ascending order. Okay. Now B part 4050. For greatest number, 5 is greatest here, so write here 5, then 400. And for the smallest number, here 0 is smallest, but we can't write 0 first. So first write 4, then 00, and last 5. 1528. So arrange them and write the answer. Write the question number 5. Write the number shown by the Roman numerals. So A part, so this is 5. B part, this is 10. C part, M means 1000. D, CC means 200. 1C means 100. And 2C means 200. And E part, 10, 10. And this is 9. So 29. Okay. Now question number 6. Write the numbers before and after. So A part 1000. So before 1000, 999. After 1000, 1001. The next is 3499. So before it, 3498. After it, 3500. C part 7080. So before it, 7079. After it, 7081. And the last, 9327. Before it, 9326. And after it, 9328. Okay. Now write in descending orders. So numbers are given here. So first write 7328, then 5548, 4540, 3823, and 2389. Descending order means largest to the smallest. Means हमें largest से smallest की तरफ arrange करना. Okay. So B part same. Arrange them from largest to the smallest. Now 8th question. Fill in. In the week, Thursday is the 5th day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday is the 5th day. Okay. J is the, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J is the 10th letter of the alphabet. Okay. In worksheet, the letter T comes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So T comes 9th and H comes 6th. Okay, so like this we have to write the answer. So do all the work properly. Now I am going to stop this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.